In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contacts in Outlook. If you need to update someone's information in Outlook, like their name, email address, phone number, company details, or any other contact information, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Keeping your contacts updated can make it much easier to send messages, stay organized, and make sure you always have the right information when you need it. To begin, open Outlook on your device and wait for it to fully load. Once Outlook is open, look for the People section. Depending on the version of Outlook you're using, this may appear in the navigation bar on the side or near the bottom of the window. Click People to open your contact list. After you're in the People area, you'll see the contacts that are saved in your Outlook account. Take a moment to find the specific contact you want to edit. If you have a long contact list, it may help to scroll through the list carefully or use the search feature if it's available. Once you locate the correct contact, click on it to open the contact details. When the contact opens, you'll be able to review the existing information that is already saved. From here, go ahead and make the changes you need. You can update basic details, correct outdated information, or add missing information if necessary. As you edit, it's a good idea to double-check your entries for accuracy, especially if you're changing important contact details. Small errors in a contact record can make it harder to reach the right person later, so taking an extra second here can be helpful. Once you've finished making your updates, click Save to apply the changes. This will store the updated information in Outlook, so the next time you use that contact, the new details will be available, and that's all it takes to edit a contact in Outlook. Open Outlook, go to People, select the contact you want to change, make your edits, and then save when you're done. It's a quick task, but one that can help keep your contact list accurate and useful over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.